Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. Thank you for having me. I'm Ardea, and I'm going to be speaking to you today about Bedugul, the best kept secret in Bali. To begin, I will ask some questions. Who wouldn't want to live on an exotic island? I believe everybody wants to. And who's like traveling? I like traveling. Traveling is a good way to learn. It teaches us many interesting things about the cultures. And I think almost everybody chooses to travel and tourism as their leisure. Some of us travel for relaxing, some of us travel to seek adventure, or some travel to explore various places. Which one are you? To do that, some people travel within the state or country or to a whole different country. But why? Amid our daily hectic routine, we seek some mental peace, right? Somehow we want to fulfill that through traveling. For me, traveling is important because it will help me to break the chains of monotonous life and release some negative energy as well. Oh wait, before we going back to our topic, have you ever been to Bali? Don't talk about heaven if you've never been to Bali. Bali is one of my favorite places. Do you know why? Because the island is so peaceful. Bali is not just a place for me, it's a mood, it's magical, it's a tropical state of mind. If you thought Bali was only about sand and waves, then it's time to be pleasantly surprised with a tour to Bali's mountain lakes resort area called Bedugul. Have you ever heard this name? Yeah, this stunning place is no big secret. Lots of Indonesians visit this lake paradise every week. And it's in the top two destinations to visit in Bali for Japanese people like me. Yet, for most non-Indonesians, it's not well known at all. The place I'm talking about is Bedugul. To get there, you need to cross a mountain no matter which direction you come in. But the landscape and the little village you come across on your way are nothing short of stunning. Bedugul is breathtaking. You should go there. There are three lakes, one main one and the twin lakes that are over another mountain. It lies between the borders of Tabanan and Buleleng regions. Maybe from the capital city of Denpasar to the side can be reached within approximately 2 hours or within about 90 kilometers through the highway Denpasar to Singaraja direction. Actually, Bedugul is the name of both a small city and a mountain lakes resort area, which Balinese have long used for weekend retreats. Bedugul is an excellent base for walking trips around the lakes and surrounding hills, and it's located in a high plateau at the center of the islands. Cool air and mist are natural for the place. Can you imagine how beautiful it is? Surrounded by rolling hills and verdant greenery, major tourist attractions in Bedugul include Lake Beratan, Buyan and Tamblingan. But let's talk about Beratan. The largest of the three is perfect place for water sports, such as parasailing, boating, jet skiing, water skiing, and canoeing. Which one do you like? Oh, and the views of the lakes are captivating from the road above, so prepare your cameras. Other places of interest include beautiful Pura Ulundanu Beratan, Taman Iron Temple, and Bali Botanic Garden. This one is my favorite. Bedugul fertile soil also produces abundance of fruits and vegetables which you can buy at the Bedugul's vegetables market. Anyway, the central activity to do in Bedugul is strawberries picking. I wish you could have done it, but unfortunately, it wasn't the right season. Luckily, while trying to look for a farm to pick strawberries, we uncovered the most blissful camping ground. A beautiful huge garden with the cutest free-roaming chickens I have ever seen and the most magnificent views, of course. The ground sits on the edge of the large lake overlooking mountains behind, and it's absolutely breathtaking. Overall, Bedugul has surprised us with a number of activities and spectacular views and landscapes. It's a perfect place for a change of scenery and a side of Bali that most people miss out. I think that's all. Thank you all for being here today and taking the time to patiently listen to what I had to say. I wish you all a blessed day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.